Namaskar dosto, I am Dilip Patil, author, mentor and guide for personal and professional growth. On this day 6 of Navratri 2025, I extend my warmest wishes to you and your family. Ma Katyani bless you with strength, focus and unstoppable determination to break all barriers in your life. Navratri is not only a festival of devotion, it is also a journey of transformations. Every day we worship a different form of Ma Durga, and every form gives us a new life lesson. On day 1, Ma Saliputri taught us the power of strength and new beginning. On day 2, Ma Brahmacharni reminded us of discipline and devotions. On day 3, Ma Chandraghanta gave us courage to face fear. On day 4, Ma Kusmunda filled, with, filled us with a positivity and creation. On day 5, Ma Sukhand Mata, Ma Skanda Mata inspired us with nurturing leadership and compassion. And today, on day 6, we bow to Ma Katyani, the warrior goddess, the symbol of fierce energy and the embodiment of unstoppable determinations. Ma Katyani was born to sage Katyan after his deep penance, and that is why she is called Katyani. She is a fierce form of Ma Durga, created to defeat the demon Mahishasur. She is shown riding a lion, carrying weapons in her hands, radiating immense courage and energy. Her form is fiery, bold, and determined. She represents the victory of good over evil, of light over darkness, and of determination over obstacles. Her story teaches us that life will always present us with demons, sometimes external but often internal, like fear, procrastination, or self doubt. And just like Ma Katyani, we too can fight and win when we have fierce determination. Courage. Courage is important. It helps us start, but courage alone is not enough. It is determination that carries us through difficulties and help us reaches the finish line. Think of a student preparing for exam. Courage makes them sit down to study, but determination make them study every single day. Think of an entrepreneur starting a business. Courage helps them begin, but determination helps them survive failures and build success. In my own life, courage gave me the strength to dream beyond my village and circumstances, but determination helped me complete my education, build a career, and write more than 35 books. Ma Katyani remind us no obstacle is too strong when determination becomes stronger than fear. Ma Katyani is not only outside us, her energy also lives within us. Her lion represents bravery. Her weapon represents focus and clarity. Her fierce form represents determination in action. We all have this energy within us, but most of the time it lies dormant. So, when we face challenges, we often get tired, distracted, or fearful. But Ma Katyani's form reminds us that we can awaken this fierce energy whenever needed. When energy is aligned with purpose, nothing can stop us. When determination becomes our habit, success is inevitable. This fears of energy is not about aggression. It is about channeling it is about channeling your power with clarity and purpose. The color of a day 6 is red. Red is the color of power, courage, passion, and determination. It symbolizes action and energy. When we wear red today, it is not just tradition, it is a reminder that we must take bold steps, a reminder that our energy should not scatter, it must be directed with determination, a reminder that passion, when aligned with purpose, becomes unstoppable. Red also symbolizes victory, victory of light over darkness, of courage over fear, and of determinations over failure. So, how you can apply Ma Katyani's lessons in your daily lives? For a student, be determined in your studies. Focus every day, even when distractions come. For the professional, challenges will always be there. Determinations help you grow despite competition. And for leaders, lead your dreams with a courage and determination. Your energy inspires others. For our families, determinations help you stay united in tough times. And for individuals, determinations help you break your inner barrier, fear, procrastination, or negativity. Ma Katyani teaches us that when we focus, act, and persist, we break barrier. So, my dear friends, on this day 6 of Navratri, let us invoke the blessing of Ma Katyani. Her timeless message is simple but powerful. Courage helps you to begin. Determinations help you to continue. Together, they ensure victory over all obstacles. If today's reflections inspired you, continue this Navratri journey with me. Explore my books on personal growth. Read my blogs on Medium. Listen to my podcast, The Success and Growth Show. And subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to join my WhatsApp and Telegram communities for a daily wisdom. Happy Navratri, Day 6. Jai Mata Di.